according to what a renowned management and leadership guru says. People will follow you because they want to follow you, not because they have to follow you. Of course, as public servants, we all have the authority to govern every unit, offices, departments, or even in its entirety, the whole locality. But because of the permissive leadership of this municipality, we can therefore say what it is now, it's because of the positive transformation being led by a transformation leader in the person of their Mayor, Jing Salispara. Minahal na congressman sa 1st District of Northern Samar, the Honorable Paul Dasa, pinakamatibay na sandigan sa Department of Education. Of course, ngadto san amay san probinsya, an akong idolo ha serbisyo publiko, the Honorable Edwin Marino Ongchuan, duly represented by the Honorable Vice Governor, my friend, Attorney Clarence Dato, the Honorable Board members who are around, ngadto san akon bugto sa profesyon ngan pinakasangkay sa akon kinabuhi, the Honorable Jing Rene Salispara, ngadto san Vice Mayor, the Honorable Ligaya Tagros Uy. Of course, an usaniwat nga sandigan san mga kabataan sang bugos nga rehiyon 8. Aaniya na nagpapakita san pinakamapaso nga pagsuporta san munisipyo san Bubon. An aton director sa DSWD, Director Grace Sobong, kaupod an Assistant Regional Director Clarito Logronio, Attorney Dario Suarez, Assistant Regional Director of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, represented by Lorilyn Claudio, our District Head, Raquel Perfas, isang Guniang Bayan members of Bubon, Liga President, SK Chairperson, MLGOO, Attorney BJ Lucinicio, akon kaupod sa opisina, an aton legal consultant, han DepEd Northern Samar, Attorney Berhil Buna, an aton social mobilization focal person, Dr. Rodin Lutaw, ngadto sa mga tanan nga mga school heads sa district san Bubon, nga tanan nga mga magturudlo, nga tanan nga magkirigta, yan ang gabi sini nga mahinungdanon nga programa, maupay nga gabi sa ato nga tanan. Hindi po tama na mag-apologize ako sa inyo. Oblivious of my task tonight. Nakalimutan kong gumawa ng speech. But anyways, pasensya na po, no? From the bottom of my heart, sasabihin ko ang pwede kong sabihin sapagkat tonight is a night to remember. It's a very important, significant aspect in the life of Bubon and all mga mulupyos san Bubon, ngan san leadership san Bubon. That's why I am congratulating the Honorable Jing Salispara for bringing into fruition, bringing into the programs, projects, and activities of the municipality, just like what we are holding on tonight. And of course, kasama ang tanan ng mga committees, no? Hininga programa. Alam niyo po, bago ako mag-umpisa, no, sa mga sasabihin ko, gusto kong sabihin ngayong gabi ang taus-pusong pasasalamat sa ating magiting na Regional Director sa DSWD dahil sa pag-uumpisa ng ating klase, ang kanyang opisina po kasama ang aking kapatid na Regional Director sa Commission on Higher Education ay ipinamalas nila ang kanilang pagmamahal, taus-pusong pagmamahal sa ating mga kabataan sa pamamagitan ng pamamahagi ng mga school supplies at financial assistance doon mismo sa Villa Flores Elementary School of Labisari sa 1st District at doon naman sa Alang-Alang Elementary School sa 2nd District. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Grace, sa pagbibigay ng inyong tulong sa ating mga kabataan at sa RIAL, the Association of Executives in the entire Eastern Visayas region, headed by its President, Director Max Alhibe. Ngayong gabi po, naipamalas ng ating mga kaguruan, kasama po ang mga tagapamahala ng ating mga paaralan, ang tinatawag natin na pillars of education. It is a must for us to be reminded of our past, just like what they have showcased tonight, what they have demonstrated through dances and songs. We have traced back the rich culture and tradition of this municipality. Napakahalaga ang learning to know, sapagkat ito po ang magbibigay buhay sa ating lahat, kagaya sa ginagampanan nating aktibidad ngayong gabi. Napaka-importante po na ating maipamalas lahat ng mga achievements mula sa mga challenges na kinaharap ng munisipyo ng Bugon from a simple pueblo, a simple small community and a municipality tracing its traditional past from the 18th century and small amount of it from the 17th century through the leadership of our Jesuits missionaries. And from that day forward, ito na po ang Bubon sa ngayon. Kaya tingnan nyo naman sa pamamagitan han pinakamabaskog na pagkaurusa sa iyo lokalidad, sa iyo munisipyo, through the able leadership of your own mayor, hain na kamoy na. Bubon has steadily increased its population from a small community into what it has now, considering 27,000 populace. We can just imagine that these people in the past must have struggled until it thrives as a very progressive community now. Look at that. In the past years, ang lokalidad po ng Bugon, through the leadership of our good mayor, used to be a 4th-class municipality. And they are now buying the idea to be reclassified into a 3rd-class municipality. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Kaya nga po, hindi dahilan na hindi umunlad ang isang lokalidad, ang isang pamayanan, kahit pa sa napakaraming mga pagsubok, kung ang kanyang management, ang kanyang leadership ay talagang exemplifies the so-called servant leadership. As we know, that servanthood is a calling. Mahirap maging mayor sa 27,000 na mga tao, comprising 18 barangays with 18 elementary schools and with 5 secondary schools. In that 5 secondary schools, may 2 tayong mga bagong eskwelahan dyan. Tingnan nyo naman, because of servant leadership of the mayor of Bubon, kasama niya ang kanya mga kasagabay sa pagpapaunlad ng bayang ito, napaka-progresibo na po nila. Kaya kami naman sa DepEd, sobra po ang aming paghanga sapagkat nakikita ko ang future ng Bubon talagang magiging highly progressive as a municipality. Ang ating mga kaguruan nandiyan po handang magserbisyo para sa mga kabataan. Learning to know as pillar of education is not enough. We need to exercise learning to do. as a pillar of education. Bawat isa sa atin ay mayroong gampanin, may mga nakaatang tungkulin para tayo ay magsilbi sa bayan. Sabi nga sa DepEd, para sa bata, para sa bayan. Kaya importante sa bawat yugto ng buhay ng ating lokalidad, nandiyan palagi ang pagpupunyagi ng ating mga empleyado, ng ating mga kasamahan sa trabaho. Nandiyan ang ating mga taga-DepEd. Palakpakan po natin sila, ang masisipag na mga kaguruan sa distrito ng Bubon. Kaya lubos po na ibinibigay ko ang aking napakainit na paghanga sa inyong lahat. Congratulations for manifesting the best trademark ever na mayroong an empleyado sa aton gobyerno, an aton mga edukador, an aton mga teacher, embracing the trademark of being a committed, passionate teacher. Ngani nga yana nga adlaw, sige pa ang trabaho sa aton mga maestros-maestras, because we are going to culminate our mass training program for school-based training of our teachers tomorrow. Kaya I am giving my salute to the District Head of Bubon, to the school heads. Kung pwede po pakanta sila. Ngani, nakitaan nyo naman, learning to know and learning to do, plus learning to be. How they demonstrated a myriad of presentations through dances and songs. Pinaagis ang ira mga maupay ng paniguran. Ang ira mga steps, ang ira mga graceful moves. Nakita natin how rich the culture and the heritage of people in the municipality of Bubon. Hindi po tayo natatapos dyan sa pillars ng edukasyon. Punta po tayo sa learning to live together, na ipamalas ng ating mga kaguruan kung papaano ipakita ang teamwork, ang unity, so that part of this learning to live together, we are promoting a cohesive community just like what it is now in the municipality of Bubon. Congratulations, Mayor Jing. Congratulations, Vice Mayor Uy, and all the public servants in this municipality. I know that on your leadership, embracing servanthood and transformation, you are considering your jobs as not being an 8 to 5, but a 24/7 jobs ever. Kaya po, in the exercise of leadership, nakikita naman natin ang mayor ng Bubon. Madalas ko po siyang kasama pagbisita sa mga eskwelahan. I am now saying that indeed Mayor Jing is not espousing the idea that he is his own position in this municipality. He is indeed a transformational and servant leader para gud sang kaupayan san bugos nga komunidad san bungto ngan magtitiagi pangkabugusan ngadto san kaupayan san mga kabataan. Nakita niyo po ngayon, darasan iya paniguro, ang DepEd, lusay kasing-kasing nagsuporta na abrihan ang Asedera Integrated High School, na abrihan ang Dangkalan Junior High School, ngayon na pinanbut niya ito niya na san DepEd, san eksakto nga numero san mga maestros-maestras. Darasa iton san positibo nga partnership, collaboration, integration, and splendid support of our local government officials of Bubon. Kaya kaupay pag-indan, waray ako pag-alang pagkaninaliwat sinidini ha iyo bungto nga manay suwagon, kasi nakikita ko ang bayhon sa leadership that according to what a renowned management and leadership guru says, people will follow you because they want to follow you, not because they have to follow you. Of course, As public servants, we all have the authority to govern every unit, offices, departments, or even in its entirety, the whole locality. But because of the permissive leadership of this municipality, we can therefore say what it is now, it's because of the positive transformation being led by a transformation leader in the person of their Mayor, Jing Salispara. Maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. At again, ipinararating ko po ang taus-puso nga akon paglamano ngadto sa aton mga maestros, maestras, mga school heads, the district head, for always showing the whole world that indeed you are committed public servants. Good evening.